Building with shipping containers is almost becoming a common phenomenon across the world. However, building a container house with efficient utilization of space is of paramount importance because of the limited usable space inside a shipping container. In this video, we bring to you a collection of the best 10 shipping containers from around the world with the most efficient floor plan layout designs. You can watch a complete video of each house design using the links in the description below. Stay tuned and enjoy this collection. If you are new, welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. For the regulars, thank you for your support. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion by posting in the comments section below, and feel free to share this video. Without further ado, let's get started. At number 10 is C192 Nomad by Cargotecture. C192 Nomad is a stylish prefab built from a single 20-foot shipping container. The habitable area of the unit is 192 square feet. The home accommodates a full bathroom with a shower in a glass cubicle, a galley kitchen with adequate counter space and kitchen storage, a built-in storage space, and a living room known as the flex space with a pull-out couch. As an efficient utilizer of space, the pull-out couch turns into a bed and a fold-down wall unit bed, creating even more sleeping space. The unit has expansive openings with full-height folding glass doors on both sides of the cabin, which open up onto a large external deck to extend the limited indoor living space. The use of steel from the cutout shipping container sides to create barn-like sliding steel doors over the inner glass doors to secure up the container cabin when not in use was a design genius. Number 9. The Container Guest House. This 320 square foot cabin is made from a single blue painted 40-foot standard shipping container. Designed by a Texan architect, Jim Pottit, for artist Stacy Hill, this cabin is used as a children's playhouse, a garden retreat, and a guest house for visiting artists. The interior layout assumes a linear arrangement where all the indoor functions lines part of the rear wall, creating enough room for a well-illuminated open-plan living space with unobstructed circulation. The guest house features only a single piece of furniture, a sitting bench that can be used as a seat, as a twin bed, or even pulled out further to create a king-size bed when needed. The floor-to-ceiling walls of glass drink in the sunshine and imbue the whole cabin with a cheerful, almost playful vibe. Number 8. Cocoon Module by an architecture startup, Cocoon Modules, based in Greece. The prototype unit is made from a single 40-foot shipping container, topped by a green roof and able to run on or off the grid. The unit comprises a total habitable space of 320 square foot as standard. However, the home can be expanded by joining additional containers to it. Inside, the home feels larger than its size, and the interior layout adopts a linear arrangement where all the indoor functions lines part of the rear wall, creating enough room for a well-illuminated, open-plan living space with unobstructed circulation. The space is split between the bathroom on the extreme end, a living room with a large L-shaped couch and shelving, plus a small dining area and kitchen, adequate storage in the middle, and a big bedroom space on the opposite end of the container. Number 7. Happy Together by Custom Container Living. Happy Together is a tiny house made from two 20-foot repurposed steel shipping containers. The two 20-foot containers are sheared horizontally to create two covered porches at the front and at the rear of the house. From outside, the house looks like any other conventional build, finished in green corrugated steel siding. On the inside, it is a masterpiece with sleek wooden interiors. The main floor, bedroom, and the living room are inside one shipping container, while the main entryway, the kitchen, and the bathroom are in the second container. An archway connects the two shipping containers. The interior of the house is finished with a mix of materials including bamboo flooring, natural wood, and corrugated steel metal. The most outstanding interior finish is on the custom kitchen cabinets. They are made from standard beech on the lower and upper cabinets with mission-style doors, stained green and blue to add some color to contrast with the natural pine walls. At number 6 is HO2 by Honomobo. This model is built from two 20-foot shipping containers placed side by side and joined together to create 320 square feet of habitable space. The HO2 model floor plan adopts a multifunctional open plan layout and uses space-saving furniture. The open plan layout was a design masterstroke to create a big interior masterpiece with the bathroom as the only closed-up space. The HO2 features a cozy open plan living area with a sleeping nook, which is designed to be used as a multifunctional space fitted with a black painted wall bed, which appears as a simple piece of fixed furniture. The wall bed can be drawn out and used as a bed at night, or used as a reading table or a dressing table during the day. The most outstanding feature of HO2 is the large glass wall on the front facade and the large horizontal slit window above the kitchen sink that keeps the living room awash with natural light to create an illusion of a very big space. Number 5. Taupo Container House. Taupo Container House is a modern home designed by a New Zealand-based company, IQ Container Homes. This single-story modular house is made from three 20-foot shipping containers arranged in parallel side by side to create a total of 480 square feet of habitable space. The house has an efficient layout plan with zero circulation. There is an open plan living room with a small compact U-shaped kitchen space, a comfortable lounge space with modern furnishings, a bistro dining setup next to the kitchen window with cozy breakfast area that can seat 3 people. A deck of the living room and the kitchen lends itself to alfresco dining with expansive views. The house features a master bedroom plus a second bedroom that can also serve as a home office. The master and the living room span the width of 1.5 containers, allowing for more space than single-width models. The second bedroom can be extended into the hallway if a separate external entry is not required. A generous bathroom and laundry cupboard completes this practical layout. Number 4, Model 6 by IndieDwell. Model 6 by IndieDwell is a mid-sized home built from two 40-foot shipping containers placed side by side and shared horizontally to create an interesting floor layout with 640 square feet of habitable space. This home layout uses the shipping containers with very minimal modification, save for the living room where the internal walls are removed to create an open plan living space. The model features an offset layout with a recessed entrance into an open plan living room featuring a single-walled kitchen, a dining area, and a spacious lounge space. A small hallway from the living room leads to a bathroom and two bedrooms at the rear of the building. As an efficient home plan layout, there is minimal circulation space, with every room fitted with big windows for natural ventilation and maximum daylighting. Number 3. Modern Farmhouse by Backcountry Containers. This modern home is built from two 40-foot shipping containers placed parallel to each other and set apart to saddle a big living space in between, known as the Great Room. The space between the containers is covered by a pointed gable roof, which forms a powerful design statement that gives this house a modern design flair. The house layout carefully balances private bedroom and bathroom spaces from the common areas. The Great Room accommodates an open-plan kitchen with a generous breakfast island that can sit three at the rear, while a spacious family room with a big lounge area on the frontal part. The Great Room is roofed with timber trusses, which are left exposed to give the family space a vaulted ceiling. The two containers accommodate 3 bedrooms, a master bedroom ensuite plus a utility room in one wing, while the guest bedroom and bunk room with a full bathroom in the opposite wing. The original container cargo doors are retained to celebrate the industrial vibe of the design and are used as shutters for the glass windows in the bedrooms. The second most efficient floor plan layout is on Manifesto House in Chile. This two-story, 1,700 square foot home is built from only 3 40-foot shipping containers. To create such a big home using only 3 containers, the design structure of the house is in form of a bridge, which creates extra habitable space between the 2 containers on the ground floor. 2 containers make the second story, while the third container is on the ground floor, cut into 2 and used as the support structure for the 2 containers above. The resultant space between the containers on the ground floor is fitted with full-height glazing to create the living room. This was the most efficient way of using only 90 square meters from 3 shipping containers to generate a whopping 160 square meters of habitable space at a very small cost. The functions accommodated on the ground floor level include a kitchen and laundry space in one half of the shipping container and a workspace and bathroom in the other half. The space in between the 2 container halves serves as an open-plan living room with a lounge, dining, and sitting spaces. The containers above have very minimal modifications and are placed side by side with a gap in between to accommodate a single flight staircase from the living room. 2 bedrooms, a common bathroom, a rumpus room, a small study area, and a generous master ensuite are accommodated on the first floor level. To celebrate the industrial vibe of the design, the container walls and ceiling are left exposed throughout the interior and are painted white to make the spaces appear bigger and brighter. From our collection, the topmost efficient floor plan layout is from the Squirrel Park container housing in Oklahoma. Squirrel Park is an award-winning housing project comprising of 4 single-family homes built from a 27,000 square foot plot of land using 16 shipping containers in Oklahoma City. Each housing unit is built using 4 40-foot shipping containers to create a total of 1,400 square feet of habitable space. 2 containers on the ground are stacked atop 2 more containers on the first floor and cantilevered on the front to create a sheltered entrance porch and a covered balcony for the master bedroom on the first floor level. For efficient use of space, the floor plan layouts have the circulation space comprising of a single flight staircase with a mechanical room and underneath storage on one end, plus an entrance hallway positioned next to the staircase is used to free up the remaining space for living on the ground floor and sleeping functions upstairs. On the ground floor of each of the house, there is a kitchen and a bathroom off the hallway with a full width of living space at the back that opens onto a private patio. Upstairs, there are 2 spacious bedrooms at the either end. This is a collection of the 10 shipping container floor plan layouts that we feel have efficiently utilized their space irrespective of the number of floors or the number of shipping containers used to create these amazing homes. What is your favorite design layout from this collection? Do you have an alternative house design that you feel would have made it to this list? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video and if you like our collection and our amazing weekly videos on shipping container living, feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such and more amazing weekly videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.